Okay, Language Explorer. So let's look at today's Tuesday verb. So ask. 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 To talk with someone to get more information. I will ask them for the answer. She will ask me for some coffee. Yeah. He wants to ask her a question. Yes, or a question, yeah. How cool is that? She asks some good questions. He always asks good, useful questions. How cool is that? Yeah. Yeah, how cool is that? So, I will ask them a question when I think they know the answer. How cool is that? So that means that it's I ask, you ask, they ask. Nice. I ask them a question. I ask them a question. You will ask me a question. You want to ask her a question. They always ask questions. They ask more. They will ask another question. Another question soon. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. So it asks. He asks. She asks. It asks a random question every day. Every day. He asks me a question. He asks me a question all the time. All the time. All the time. Yeah, all the time. She asks more questions than I do. She asks more questions than I do. Yeah. How cool is that? So he asked the question to the professor. The professor was asked by him. The teacher was asked by him. How cool is that? I'm asking another question. Another question. How cool is that? I want to ask another question now. How can I ask another question? How can I ask another question? They are going to be asked a lot of questions. They are going to be asked. When I enter the room, I'm going to be asked a lot of questions. When I enter the room, I'm going to be asked a lot of questions. They will all ask me a question. Yeah, they'll ask me a question. Ask a question. Yeah, how cool is that? I need to ask for permission. I won't ask for permission. Yeah. 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 How cool is that, Language Explorers? So I ask, you ask, they ask. It asks, he asks, she asks. How cool is that? So can you use ask in a sentence? Can you write the sentence in the comments below? And like the video and subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. Yeah. And you can follow me on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram. Yeah. Search for English with Adrian. And you can find me on Udemy too. Search for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. Yeah. How cool is that, Language Explorers? Let's keep exploring.